Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. There's really no easy way to do this today, what we're doing here. So just bear with me and I'll try to get through it the best I can. And so with that said, let's start with, you guys know I'm sponsored by Ken FPV, and so what you see here on the table is some Ken FPV frames. This is the ALA 5-inch. These are frames that I purchased. These were nothing to do with a sponsor. This frame here, when I did bash, the durability test, they did replace this frame, and I want to say thank you for that. This frame has been discontinued. Therefore, I love the frame. It's a beautiful flyer. The AT6 is supposed to replace it. Well, there's something in my heart with this one. So this one has MD on there, so we're going to retire this frame as well, and we probably will never fly that. I may build it just to have it built. Anyway, here's the ALAs. Now, with that said, they're supposed to be an apex killer. They probably do fly good. I've seen videos, but this is more of a Source 1 and a reverb variant versus an apex. I run a DJI Pro camera. The camera doesn't even fit. I don't even know if there's like something can be printable off the website. I don't think it is. I've looked. So I'll have something made up here. My buddy Doc can design something for me to hold my camera, because it's a pain in the ass to have your camera. I mean, as you can see, I don't do that. I don't two-step cameras. I like it just to mount there and be done. With that one, perfect, on the money. Anyway, so where we're at is I'll probably eventually build these. I'm going to IO, so we're not going to get these built before IO. That's just not going to happen. I'll probably build them eventually. Where I'm at with this video is I did sign a contract with Ken. Yes. Not happy at the moment with the contract. You get into seeing things happening. I know things are a little fast for them right now, but communication has stopped. Everything has just boom, hit a wall. So I got to looking, got to trying to understand things, and first of all, the contract. Let's go there. I did read this in the very beginning, and I just want to point some things out. I'm not going to show the contract because I don't want to do that, and show their contract to the world here. You'll get involved if you get involved. If you don't, you don't. So first of all, the sponsee, who is me, is I can cancel this contract anytime. I don't need the 5 days. That's you guys that need the 5 days. So you need to understand that in your contract. First of all, where you broke it is, it says the sponsor agrees to the offering the following for 1 year, for 1 year per the terms in the contract. Yeah, I suck at reading, so make fun of that. I don't care. 2 full frame kits up front, each with a full set of prints and a set of spare arms. That never happened. I literally still do not have a sponsored frame. There that is. The second one is the option to test new kits, including both freestyle and racers. This will be an option each time we release a new kit. Well, there was 4 kits that I know of that I was around when it happened. Now I can understand why I didn't get in on them, because I didn't get my sponsor frame. So therefore there's 2 frames that they've done promised me. So I can understand why you're not going to get me involved with something else. That's a no-brainer. Okay, I am human and I am pretty smart here. So that's twice. The third one is we will provide high-res logo, stickers, branding, and other material over the course of this agreement. Well, it says over the course of this agreement, so you really can't hold them that. Rebecca did give me some high-res logos for my channel. After she wasn't pleased with what I was using, I just grabbed what I could, trying to show love. Then it says we will send a stack of cards for both of our companies out to your address to help spread the word. I'd have no problem doing that. I spread the word for you guys. I think I did very well in kicking the barrel and getting people woke with you guys. So I hope that helped you guys. Derek, I want to stop and say that you are, as a designer, as a guy, you have a hella mind on you, brother. Your work is outstanding. I mean, I know the machine cuts it or whatever, but your designs, they're there, you know. I'm not beating that part up. The business part of Kin, man, is it needs help. It needs serious help. So therefore at this moment, well, let me talk about this. So here's where a lot of it started too. On my channel it says, you know, when you're with these guys, you know, sponsored up, be mature, don't be an egghead. Well, I put a song on my video that had the N-word in it quite a bit that offended myself. I'm not racist. I don't even walk that road. I love everyone, any color, size, shape, or form, no matter what. If you heard me say the N-word, that's because I've grown up in the city, right? What's up? You know, that's what you do when you fist pump people. That's not what you do. That's what some people do. So this is just the lingo. Like, get over it. So I put the song on my channel because I got reached out by Rebecca. And she thought it'd be a good thing for do a video. So we went ahead and did that. And then I got to thinking after, you know, out there, I was like, man, this is, I got to remove this. So anyway, we removed it. Anyway, I got asked to put that song on my channel by the company I was sponsored for. So therefore, I don't see how they would get butthurt about that. But if they did, they did. Anyway. So anyway, the next thing was they would come out with these little guys. And these are little frames. I think it's Bullfrog FPV. Very good job, man. Really nice. So minuscule work. Like, it's tiny stuff. So I purchased, was on Rebecca one day, purchased this thing first. It really doesn't matter to me who gets it first and who don't, but it's the statement that was made. So then I reach out to Eric Edrone, which is like my brother, if you guys don't know. So if you kind of like piss one of us off, you piss both of us off. That's how we roll. So he gets his first. I was like, that was the first slap. It's just like, I don't know, man, if a lot's going on or whatever. But anyway, the only thing I've gotten from the sponsor is this guy here, which it says if I decide, or if you broke the contract, that I could keep everything. I'm gonna mail this back to you. I don't want it. I just want what I paid for. I paid for these. Got the Flix V3. I'm hoping that comes. So at this point, I'm gonna say that I'm done. I'm not gonna do the contract no more. We're gonna be done with this guy. I've learned a lot more too since I've looking into this. So not pleased at all. I hope we can be friends. And maybe we can cross paths later on down the road and we can actually do this the right way. Because when I heard your contract was BS, I was like, man, come on. Dude, they don't ask for much there. But what you guys promise and don't hold up for, that's the killer. So, again, Kin FPV, love you guys. I still do. I think you guys are a great company. You just have some business ends you need to work out. You have a lot of friends around you that you just need to just get rid of them and do the business thing. To see a video frame every like other day come out on Facebook, like, oh look, I got my frame. You know, when I purchased it and I was told I was the first one that purchased the Flix V3, that was wrong. Which it doesn't matter to me who gets it first. It's just when you're being smoke blown, and it is what it is. So anyway, guys, this video is for me to say that I'm done with Kin FPV. I'm not sponsored no more by them. I'll fly their stuff. I'll probably put a logo on my channel when I do. If I don't, I don't. Thank you guys for what you've done for me. And I loved what I have done for you guys. So I hope it helped you guys, and maybe we can cross paths in the future. But at this point, it's just so much stuff has been bullcrap. I just can't keep going forward with this. So I'll shoot you guys a Facebook and let you know what's up. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And you guys know I'm real to the heart. So I'm here, man. We're going to keep going forward. This kind of set me back a little bit, threw me in a little funk. We're out of it. We're moving forward. We're going to IO in a week, less than a week and a half now. I'll catch you guys out there if you're out there. Look for MD, because I'm going to look for you guys if I recognize you. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies.